Bitcoin has been continuing to dump towards the downside, taking out this liquidity towards the downside, but this is going to be the biggest Bitcoin bear trap in history. We need to be talking about that exactly, because Bitcoin is right now creating a bullish divergence, sitting at a major level of support, while we are seeing a huge divergence being created with the stock market. The stock market is still pumping towards new all-time highs, while Bitcoin is going towards the downside. The Bitcoin market sentiment is right now reaching levels of fear, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes, back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into the short term. And yes, Bitcoin has just been going towards the downside ever since breaking this uptrend over here. We've been perfectly retesting this over here, and ever since that retest, we have only been dumping towards the downside. Now, right now, Bitcoin is coming back towards a major level of support, and yes, I have been saying if Bitcoin cannot hold this level of support, we were having a look towards a few days ago, we are going back down to the 59k levels. And where have we exactly reached support? Exactly at that 59k level. So yes, we have seen a little bit of a liquidity grab down below this low over here, where I've been talking about exactly yesterday that we might be seeing maybe a little bit of a liquidity grab down below this low, daily level of demand. However, yes, right now we have been grabbing this liquidity over here, and at the same time, Bitcoin is creating a bullish divergence on that 4-hourly time frame. So this is definitely going to be a bullish setup in my opinion. Grab the liquidity towards the downside, bullish divergence getting created, and right now the only thing we need to be doing is breaking this downtrend over here. If we can be breaking this downtrend over here, I think that we are going to be seeing a bigger bounce back towards the upside, definitely at least till these previous highs over here. So that is definitely going to be huge for Bitcoin already. But yeah, do also keep in mind, if we are not going to be breaking above this downtrend over here, then we are still going to be trading inside of this downtrend, and it is going to be more likely that we are just going to be getting another dump towards the downside, and then it could be getting very scary. Because yes, in my opinion, if we are going to be breaking down below this daily level of support over here, the next level of support we need to be having a look in towards is going to be that 57.5k level. That is going to be a huge move for Bitcoin. However, if that were to be the case, if we were to be dumping back down towards this level over here, we will still remain to trade inside of this uptrend. We are just going to be creating this higher low a little bit lower, right? But still, we were to be trading inside of this uptrend over here with creating higher lows and creating higher highs. We have been creating this higher high, so still that would still be perfectly fine if we were to be coming down a little bit lower for Bitcoin over here. That major macro market structure is still going to be intact, and that is what's going to be very important. However, yes, while all of this is happening, well, stocks are right now literally reaching new all-time highs while Bitcoin is moving towards the downside, and this is making me very bullish because usually Bitcoin tends to throw a catch-up move back towards the upside to catch up with this move towards the upside from the stock market. That is usually what happens. So let's see if a little bit of a catch-up trade is about to be made. With the Bitcoin charts also looking bullish at this current moment, the Bitcoin market sentiment right now flipping back into the fear. So this is going to be very bullish. Whenever others are going to be fearful, I'm going to be buying. Whenever others are going to be fearful, it is usually a very good moment to buy. Anyways, we are also still trading inside of the month of October, and I have been saying that in the beginning of the month of October, it's probably going to be a little bit slow, but during the end of the month of October, that's where we are going to be seeing this huge pump towards the upside getting initiated. And I do still think that this month of October is going to be a very bullish month with an average gain of plus 20%. On top of that, also the Bitcoin funding rates are trading very low over on Binance, even negative, looking very good and very bullish. The majority of the Bitcoin market is right now trading short, and usually whenever the majority is trading short, we tend to get another squeeze towards the upside. Anyways, guys, if you are going going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now with maybe potentially this downtrend breaking for Bitcoin, well, make sure to be checking out these two links down below because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Anyways, if we're going to be having a deeper look into what's Bitcoin, yes, we are still just consolidating inside of this range over here. Now, we are sitting at this mid-level of support from of this range over here. If we are going to be falling down below this mid-level of support, yeah, we are of course also going to be falling down below this level of support, but then it could be very well possible that we are also going to be seeing another major move all the way back towards this level of support. That could be huge, that could be massive for Bitcoin. Now, I do not think it's going to be very likely, but it is of course good to say that right now we should still be patient. We should still be patient until we're going to be breaking outside of this bull flag pattern. Whenever we're going to be breaking outside of this bull flag pattern, that's where the real, true, massive Bitcoin bull market is going to be getting started. But yeah, do keep in mind, it is not happening still yet right now, but it could be happening any moment because the parabolic Bitcoin move is about to start soon. If we're going to be having a look into this chart, we are seeing the second wave of low volatility right now in this cycle. And usually after that second wave, we tend to see this parabolic move getting initiated towards the upside. Anyways, also still US debt is going parabolic. This is going to be bullish for Bitcoin. What is also going to be bullish for Bitcoin are going to be the US elections. They are going to be coming in 25 days, so it is coming very, very soon. This is going to be huge for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.